Hi guys, welcome back to F Alpha. Okay, mastering web development in 15 minutes flat. Join me as I try to learn web development in just 15 minutes. Do you think I can do it? Web development is a must-have skill in today's digital world. It helps businesses and people connect with a global audience. If you are not learning it, you are missing out. Starting web development can feel super. There are a ton of resources out there, but it's hard to know which one are good or up to date. Plus, without clear guidance, it's easy to feel lost in all the codes. I get it. I have been there. It's frustrating because you know you want to build something cool, yeah, but you don't know how to start. And everyone has different advice, which one can be confusing. On top of that, there's imposter, that feeling you are good enough, but guess what? Everyone starts somewhere, and the key is keep trying. Let's break it down. To start web development, you need to learn three main things, like first HTML, second CSS, third JavaScript. Now, HTML, this structures your content. CSS, this makes your site looks good. JavaScript, this adds interactivity to your site. HTML and CSS are easier to learn, but JavaScript can be tricky. Don't worry, with practice you can master it. And yes, there are tools like React, Angular, and some other like, but they are built on top of HTML and CSS, yeah, and JavaScript. So focus on the basics first. The fastest way to learn web development is by building projects, not just reading or watching tutorials. When you create something, you apply what you learn, and that's how you really understand it. It's my advice. There are so many free resources online, YouTube tutorials, free courses, blogs, but don't just watch or read. Use what you learn to build something. If you stay focused, practical, and build project, you will see progress much faster than you expect. Ready to take your first step in web development? Let's divine in together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other web development tips and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you. Take care.